Harbour, where we'll be visiting 3 schools.
Today, we'll be educating students about our Jamaican heritage.
I am Janisha Dugan. Stay tuned.
This is the JIS Heritage School Tour. Welcome to Old Harbour High School.
Jamaican culture is very, very important, and it is very, very important that we preserve it. It is very important that we protect it. It is very important that we communicate it to our children.
Welcome to Old Harbour Primary School.
Maypole, also called the Long Ribbon Pole, was a part of outdoor social festivities in Old England and Jamaica. After showcasing our feature My Country Jamaica and presenting our posters and publications to the school, the students were eager to tell us about their favorite hero.
My favorite hero is Marcus Garvey because he's a proud black Jamaica. None of the Maroons. She brought courage and strength to our country, and she's a brave and strong woman. My favorite hero is Paul Bogle. He led all of his friends and families just to Stony Gut so that he could make things right for his people.
Music and dance give expressions not only to our ancestral heritage, but also play a part in our historical and social practices. The evolution of the fashion industry has been showcased over the years in the creativity of our people.
This has been the Old Harbour leg of the JIS Heritage School Tour. Until next time, thanks for watching.